I remember that day. I remember that day. Mwen sonje jou sa. You are ungrateful. You are ungrateful. Ou ingrat. Don't say that. Don't say that. Pas di sa. No, I'm grateful. No, I'm grateful. Non, mwen rekonesan. Tell me the truth. Tell me the truth. Dim verite. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Mwen gran gwo. Maria is angry. Maria is angry. Maria fâché. Do you know my name? Do you know my name? Est-ce que vous connaissez nom? Yes, I know your name. Yes, I know your name. Oui, mwen konnen nou. Oui, mwen konnen nou. No, I don't know your name. No, I don't know your name. Non, mwen pa konnen nou. I understand. I understand. Mwen kompran. I don't understand. I don't understand. Mwen pa kompran. My mother is sick. My mother is sick. Maman malade. They are happy. They are happy. Yo content. I want to buy a car. I want to buy a car. Mwen vle achete yon machine. Jack is late. Jack is late. Jacques en retard. I'm always on time. I'm always on time. Mwen toujou ale. Could you give me your phone number, please? Could you give me your phone number, please? Ou ka bam numéro, s'il vous plaît? My phone number is. My phone number is. Numéro mwen se. She's going to church. She's going to church. Li pral l'église. I don't see anything. I don't see anything. Mwen pa we anyen. I want to see you. I want to see you. Mwen vle we ou. He is blind. He is blind. Li aveg. I'm proud to be Haitian. I'm proud to be Haitian. Mwen fier mwen se Haitien. I like rice. I like rice. Mwen reme di ri. He smokes very much. He smokes very much. Li fume anpil. There is a dog next to me. There is a dog next to me. Gen yon chen tout prem nan. Gen yon chen tout prem nan. I'm washing my face. I'm washing my face. Map lave figim. Map lave figim. Thank you for everything. Thank you for everything. Merci pour tout bagay. Merci pour tout bagay. Are you ready? Are you ready? Est-ce que vous prêt? Est-ce que vous prêt? Yes, I'm ready. Yes, I'm ready. Oui, moi prêt. She has a nice house. She has a nice house. Li gen yon bel kay. Li gen yon bel kay. I'm free. I'm free. Mwen libre. Everybody is busy. Everybody is busy. Tout moun occupé. My mother is cooking. My mother is cooking. Maman m'a fait manger. My father is working. My father is working.